up, oh you crazy box breaking, card collecting football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website, coming in live at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. This is the six box break with 2010 plates and patches in Crown Royal, 2011 Gold Standard in Prime Sigs, and 2012 Inception and Prominence. First things first, going to generate the roster using random.org. Here are the 32 names that bought into the break tonight. Gonna go to random.org, randomize the list 5 times, and then paste it against the list of NFL teams in alphabetical order. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll grab that list and paste it against the 32 teams. Click format it, and we'll print it out, go over it, and get the break started. Alright, here's the roster for the 6-box football break. Hopefully with the products with 3 different years, every team should have plenty of hits with rookies included. They all look so good, I don't know which one we should start with first. If we should go 2010 to 12, I think that might be our best bet. Alright, up first is the 2010 Crown Royal. Good luck, everybody. I believe this one is 4 packs, 1 hit per pack, either a jersey patch or autograph. There's the checklist. And pack number 1. For the Packers, Aaron Rodgers. First hit, going to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, rookie autograph, Aurelius Ben. Bucks are going to Matthew N. And that one is the blue parallel, short print, 37 out of 50. Nice hit, Matthew. Spacer. Lions rookie, Amari Spivey. Rams, Marty Gayard. Steelers, Hines Ward. And for the Colts, Reggie Wayne. Falcons, Roddy White. Second hit going to the St. Louis Rams, Steven Jackson jersey patch. Rams going to Jane S. This one numbered 119 out of 290. Ravens, Sergio Kindle. Colts, Mike Curtis, Legends card. Kings of the NFL, Chris Johnson. For the Titans, and for the Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Pack number 3. Jets, Mark Sanchez. Third hit going to the Colts. Tight end, Dallas Clark. Colts going to James B. This one numbered 218 out of 299. For the Panthers, David Geddes for rookie. Rashard Mendenhall, blue parallel for the Steelers. The Zone, Matthew Stafford for the Lions. And for the Eagles, Deshaun Jackson. Last pack of the Crown Royal. Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. Vikings, rookie autograph, Chris Cook. This one going to Patrick D. And very short print, 8 out of 25. Nice hit, Patrick. Spacer. Bears, Major Wright. Rams, Deacon Jones. Ravens, Derek Mason. And for the Panthers, D'Angelo Williams. Alrighty, up next, 2010 plates and patches. The big old cigar box. Very nice product. We seem to pull something good out of here. Here's the checklist. Looks like their box topper is going to be a redemption card. And there's the empty box. Now with the redemption cards, Panini is still allowing you to redeem these, even though they're a few months past the expiration date. Panini's really good about that. This one going to the card number 27, RPS Rookie Jumbo. Take a look at the checklist, see where that's going to. '27 is going to Mike Williams. I'm going to have to double check. I believe that's the Mike Williams with the Buccaneers. We'll double check on that one. If you want to take a look at home, PaniniAmerica.net will give you that. Alright, up first for the Saints, Marquez Colston. Next for the Raiders, Jacoby Ford. Lions, Ndamukong Suh for the Lions. Ravens, rookie autograph, Ed Dickson. Ravens are going to Josh V. Up next, rookie autograph for the Saints, Patrick Robinson. Saints are going to Daniel C. This one numbered 194 out of 499. Up next for the Chargers, very nice looking Antonio Gates jersey patch, 2 colors. And that is a prime patch, so it should be low numbered. And it is 19 out of 25. Chargers going to Tad. Nice hit, Tad. And for the Washington Redskins, Chris Cooley jersey patch. Redskins going to Alan M. That one number 24 out of 150. And up last for the Texans, Matt Shaw base card. Alright, move on to the 2011. Start with the prime signatures. This one's just a little guy. 1 pack, 4 cards. Everything's on the real thick stock. I believe it's all numbered and 1 on-card rookie autograph. I'm sorry, not a rookie autograph. Could be anybody in the NFL with this one. Cut this one open. Seal that one nice and tight. Alright, we'll start bottom card first for the Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. Chiefs are going to Jaime R. That one numbered 485 out of 499. Up next for the Dolphins, Reggie Bush. That one numbered 356 out of 499. Dolphins going to Gabriel J. For the Dallas Cowboys, Laurent Robinson. That one is the red parallel, numbered 36 out of 99. Cowboys going to Alan M. Oh, well, we got 2 autographs in this one. Only supposed to get 1. It's pretty cool. Up first for the Broncos, Raheem Moore. Rookie autograph, numbered 49 out of 199. Broncos are going to Tad Y. Congratulations, Tad. And the second rookie auto in the box going to the Falcons, Jacquizz Rodgers. Getting much more involved every week. Very nice. This one numbered 43 out of 199. And the Falcons going to Gabriel J. Very cool. All right, up next, 2011 Gold Standard. There's a checklist, box bottom, and pack for tonight. And we'll start bottom card first for the Texans, Arian Foster. That one going to Pat, and it's numbered 171 out of 299. For the Tennessee Titans, Kenny Britt. That one going to William C. That one numbered 174 out of 299. Tampa Bay Bucks rookie Dante Hardy. Bucks going to Matthew N. Numbered 128 out of 299. Legend for the Browns, Jim Taylor. Browns going to 1-0. And that one's numbered 134 out of 299. For the Eagles, rookie Stanley Haveli. Eagles going to Michael P. Numbered, nice short print, 18 out of 25. That is the platinum gold parallel. I know that because I just typed up all the checklists for Gold Standard. If you haven't seen it yet, we added the checklist tab on the website. Going to be adding a ton more checklists. Going to try to do them the right way. Make them nice and fancy. Up for the Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. That one going to Jaime. Numbered 174 out of 299. And for the Eagles, Gold Rush, LaShawn McCoy. They're going to Michael P. Numbered 13 out of 299. All right, first hit going to the Bears, Brian Urlacher. Bears going to Eli. Numbered 249 out of 299. For the Kansas City Chiefs, Gold Leaf for rookies, Jonathan Baldwin. Chiefs are going to Jaime. And that one numbered 233 out of 299. Up next for the New England Patriots, very nice, Ryan Mallett. Rookie on card auto with a 1, 2, 3, 3-color jersey patch. Bunch of stitching. Patriots going to Pat K. Very nice hit, Pat. And this one numbered 17 out of 325. Just misses jersey number. I believe his number is 19. Give you one more look at that one. Very pretty looking patch. Up next for the Raiders, rookie quarterback Terrell Pryor. Raiders going to Jaime. And that one numbered 132 out of 299. Up last for the Broncos, rookie Julius Thomas. Broncos going to Tad. And that one numbered 103 out of 499. All right, on to the 2012. We'll go prominence first and end it with the Inception. I believe both boxes pretty similar. 1 pack, 3 hits per box. 2 autographs and 1 jersey patch. Alright, bottom cards first for the Jaguars. Blaine Gabbert. Jags going to Matthew N. That one numbered 471 out of 897. For the Bears, Matt Forte. That numbered 455 out of 897. Bears going to Eli. For the Ravens, Ray Lewis. Number 314 out of 897. Ravens going to Josh V. Another one for the Bears, Richard Dent, legend card. Numbered 567 out of 897. That one going to Eli. And legend for the Steelers, Rod Woodson. Numbered 84 out of 897. Steelers going to Tad. First hit of the Prominence. Looks pretty nice. For the Minnesota Vikings, just scored his first touchdown last weekend. Jarius Wright, jumbo patch, 2 colors, some stitching with the autograph. Vikings going to Patrick D. And that one numbered 164 out of 240. Nice hit, Patrick. Up next for the Steelers, rookie autograph David DeCastro. Steelers going to Tad. And that one numbered 103 out of 349. And up last for the Miami Dolphins, Lamar Miller, rookie patch. Dolphins going to Gabriel J. And that one numbered, sorry about that, Gabriel. That one number 249 out of 299. We'll throw you a couple extra free cards with this week's for that. Didn't look like there's any damage, but we love giving away free stuff. And up last, 2012 Inception. Hopefully we can end the 6-box break with a bang. This one pack, 7 cards, 2 autographs, and 1 jersey patch. Up first for the Bears, going to Eli, Michael Bush. For the Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Bills going to Greg V. For the Redskins, the blue parallel, Fred Davis, numbered 175 out of 252. That one going to Alan M. For the Giants, red parallel, Victor Cruz, numbered 33 out of 50. Giants going to Eli. First hit of the Inception. Another one for the Vikings, and Jarius Wright, rookie autograph with a 3-color jumbo patch. Nice hit for Patrick. For the Rams, rookie Brian Quick. This one, the gold version, numbered 3 out of 99. Rams are going to Jane S. Nice short print hit. It's been playing well. And up last, another one for the Rams. Nice looking patch for the other receiver, Chris Givens. That one numbered 112 out of 210. Congratulations, Jane. Another nice one. And that'll do it for the 6-box break. If you haven't seen, we have the 2012 certified up for tomorrow night, and then we'll be off until the Exquisite on Monday. Have a good weekend.